The ASEAN-China Week 2023 kicked off on Sunday in Fuzhou, Southeast China's Fujian province, aiming to enhance the ties and cooperation between China and ASEAN countries. Nearly 300 senior government officials, diplomatic envoys, think tank experts, and media representatives from China and ASEAN countries attended the opening ceremony.
And in the area of clean energy, there are many Chinese companies investing in Thailand on electric cars, batteries, on solar panel, solar energy, on wind energy, on water energy. So these are areas where Thailand and China can cooperate on development of clean energy, development of bio-circular green economy, green development, trying to foster more clean and green sustainable development, not only in business but in tourism, in way of life of the two countries.
This year marks the 10th anniversary of the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative. A Cambodian official hailed the initiative's role in boosting connections across the globe over the past decade.
Over the past 10 years, the Belt and Road Initiative has delivered a lot of positive development through concrete and practical cooperation projects. I'm sure in the next 10 years, the role of the Belt and Road Initiative will grow even more and will contribute even more to not just the economic developments, but also many other fields of development as well. For example, when it comes to human security or sustainable planet and so on.
Events including forums, concerts, a film week, and a food festival will be held during the ASEAN-China Week 2023, which will last till August the 11th.